Good morning, students. Hope all students of class 3rd to 5th are in good health and enjoying online studies. In today's class, we are going to provide recent current affairs based on latest happenings in India and world. So, starting with question number 1, name India's first comprehensive COVID-19 tracking application. Answer is Arogya Setu. You know what is Arogya Setu? It is a mobile application developed by Government of India to connect essential health services with people of India to fight COVID-19. Next, question number 2 is what are the new dates for Tokyo Olympics 2020? And the answer is 23rd July to 8th August 2021. You know, students, earlier Tokyo Olympics were to be held in the year 2020, but now these are postponed to 2021 due to coronavirus pandemic. These are postponed after talks between Japan Prime Minister Mr. Shinzo Abe and International Olympic Committee President. Third question is, how many public sector banks are there in India after banking merger? Children, the answer for this question is 12. Government of India consolidated 10 public sector banks into 4 big banks. As per the finance minister, this merger would help to manage capital more efficiently. After this merger, the country is having total of 12 public sector banks, including State Bank of India, Bank of Baroda. Question number 4 is, what is the name given to operation launched by Indian Army to help civil authorities and coronavirus spread? Answer for this is Operation Namaste. Operation Namaste. It is an Indian 123 army operation launched by Army Chief General Manoj Mukund Narwane. It is started to fight COVID-19. Question number 5 is, when is World Health Day observed? Answer for the same is April 7, and the theme for this year's World Health Day is support nurses and midwives. Question number 6, which initiative has been launched by National Book Trust to encourage reading during coronavirus lockdown? Answer is Stay Home India with Books. You know, children, the National Book Trust functioning under Ministry of Human Resource and Development, this initiative has been taken. Under this initiative, more than 100 books can be downloaded from National Book Trust website. Now, question number 7 is, when will be 19th Asian Games held? Answer is Hangzhou, China. You know, this city is the third Chinese city to host Asian Games after Beijing in 1990 and Guangzhou in 2010. Question number 8 is, name 19th Asian Games mascots that will be held from 10th September to 25th September in the year 2022. These will be held in Hangzhou, China in a ceremony conducted online on April 3. Answer for this is Chen Chen, Kong Kong, Lian Lian. These three together are called smart triplets. You can see in the pics, these are the three robots known as smart triplets. These will be the official mascots of 19th Asian Games. This ceremony was held digitally due to COVID-19 pandemic. Question number 9 is the President, Vice President, Prime Minister have voluntarily agreed how much salary cut to deal COVID-19 crisis. The answer is 30%. 30% salary cut. The government announced that President, Vice President, Prime Minister and all members of Parliament will take a salary cut of 30% for 1 year, and these funds will be transferred to Consolidated Fund of India. Children, the last question of current affairs sheet number 1 is name NASA's new satellite that will issue volcano and earthquakes warning. Answer is CIRES. All letters are capital CIRES, and the full form for the same is CubeSat Imaging Radar for Earth Sciences. The data from this satellite will help in identifying the area where the disaster may happen, and it must be placed at the time of crisis. So students, that was all regarding this current affairs sheet number 1. Children, you know it that in class 3 during assessment hints will be provided, whereas in class 4 and 5 no hints will be provided. Now either you note down these questions or you take out the printout and learn these questions. Thank you. Happy learning.